Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a look at this Coleman Mach Roughneck Mach 3 13,500 BTU Ductless RV Air Conditioner system in this textured black shroud. Now, as you probably know, one of the largest headaches that you could have in RV repairs is trying to figure out which parts are compatible with each other. This kit is going to take all of that off of your plate. This rooftop unit comes with a compatible air distribution box, so these items are designed to work together. So what that means for you is installation is going to be smoother and you should have nothing that's going to catch you off guard. So whether you're doing the install yourself or you're paying for someone to do it for you, having everything designed to work together in a kit is going to make your job faster, easier, and a whole lot less stressful. Now, this Roughneck series is specifically designed for harsher environments. So if you travel in areas with extreme heat or lots of dust or rugged terrain, this unit is made to hold up better than a standard rooftop air conditioner. So it has a sturdier build and reinforced components, so it's not going to get rattled apart as easily on bumpy back roads. For instance, this has a internal brace plate assembly that's going to secure the condenser coil and compressor from high vibrations, and a welded wire compressor clamp that's going to help limit the motion of that compressor. So this particular system is made for RVs without ducted air. So this is going to be perfect if you're replacing an old setup or adding a second unit to a separate space. And the 13,500 BTU cooling power is going to give you enough cooling for those smaller to mid-size RVs and campers. Think about 30 feet long and under. So inside the unit, we do have larger coils and airflow boosting fins that are going to help pull that heat out more efficiently. So the RV is going to stay cooler with less strain on your system. Looking at the measurements of just the unit itself, we're sitting pretty close to 38 inches long. The overall width, about 28 inches wide or so. And then this is a medium profile unit. So the overall height is going to be about 14 inches tall. This is going to install over your standard RV roof opening size of 14¼ inches by 14¼ inches. And this unit weighs about 80 pounds. Now this does have a streamlined medium profile shroud, as you can see here. That's going to help reduce drag, and the textured black finish isn't really just for aesthetics, but it's going to be practical as well. This textured finish is going to help to hide scratches and scuffs better than smooth surfaces, and that black is going to tend to look cleaner for longer, in outdoor environments. And the black actually goes with virtually any type of camper or RV. Now this does include, as I mentioned, an air distribution box. So I'm taking a closer look here on the other side of my table. This is going to give you full control right at ceiling level with simple knobs here. We've got fan speed control and temperature control there. You're also going to be able to direct the airflow wherever you want it from the front and back dampers, and also control that speed as well. And it's going to be very easy to keep this clean. The air filters here on either side will just pop out of those grills. You can rinse them off, let them air dry, pop those air filters back in. So very easy maintenance with the air distribution box. You're going to get the hardware here that you need to get this installed, the bolts here and the frame. And just to give you some measurements here, this is going to be right at about 21¾ inches long, 20¾ inches wide, and this is going to stick down from your roof about 2.5 inches or so. So it's not going to take up a whole lot of headspace. Now this system is not going to be backwards compatible with any air conditioner system or component from 2024 or earlier, due to the fact that this unit does use the new R32 refrigerant that meets the 2025 EPA regulations. So if you happen to have any other additional AC components in your camper from 2024 or earlier, it's probably not going to work with this system. That's why it's nice that you're getting this kit, because this kit is all designed, all of the parts, all of the pieces are all designed to work together especially with that R32 refrigerant. One other thing I wanted to mention is this does have a heat strip that you could pick up separately for this unit. So that heat strip's not meant as a furnace replacement, but just something to help take the edge off of a cool morning here or there. So if that's something that you might be interested in, I am including our model number for that heat strip, and you could add that to your order if you so desire, but it's going to be a pretty simple install. And again, just take the edge off of those cooler mornings. Now, if you happen to have any other additional questions, whether it's about this system or any other systems that we do carry, don't hesitate to reach back out to us. We do want to be sure that you're getting exactly what you want and need. Well, that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.